Okay, I already told you this is the last topic. For last topic in the measurement of the screw thread, that is pitch measurement. In the last video I have discussed the another one method, that is pitch measuring machine. So this is the another one method for measurement of the pitch, that is optical projection method. So it is also we are already discussed that the profile projector or tool maker microscope may be used for projecting an image of the screw threads. So now I will show the profile of what screw thread projected by using a profile projector. By using that we'll come to know the what is the pitch of the screw thread, what is the value of the pitch of the screw thread, and how it can be calculated, how the pitch can be calculated by using that formula. Now I will write it out the profile of the screw thread. So just initially this is what thread. So this is the pitch line, this is the thread. So this is what point A and this is what the point B. The angle of this thread is what 2 into theta, that's 2 theta. Okay, from the just I will write the distance BC, just I will write on line, profile line from the point B, make an angle of what 90 degree, that is C, angle of theta. So this is the profile of the screw thread. So by using this profile, the pitch of the screw thread AB is given by AB is equal to BC divided by cos theta. We know that cos theta is equal to what? Adjacent by hypotenuse. So we know that AB is what here? AB is equal to BC divided by cos theta into 1 divided by of magnification. This is the one formula. By using this profile of the screw thread, we come to know the formula of this one. So the distance BC perpendicular to the thread flank can be found experimentally, and hence the pitch can be calculated by using the above formula. This method is suitable only for the external thread because the internal threads are difficult to project. So the advantage of the limitation of this method for measuring the pitch is what? It is only suitable for external thread because the internal threads are difficult to project. This is about the optical projection method. Okay, that will end up the module number 3, chapter number 1, that is measurement of screw threads.